All right, ladies and gentlemen, now we are going to start 60-second session with our new participant. What's your name?
My name is Imran Hossain.
Where are you from?
I'm from Borguna.
How are you today?
Fine.
Thank you. This is Naim. I'm going to ask you 10 short questions in this very session. Number one, do you like watching movie or listening song?
I like watching movie because it is a short-term entertainment.
Can you make tea or coffee?
Obviously coffee because it is a delicious and expensive drink. I all time like it.
Saqib Al Hasan or Tamim Iqbal?
Both of them, they are the asset of Bangladesh cricket team.
Hard work or smart work?
A smart work, it has no alternative.
Very good. Writing or speaking?
Speaking because I all time share my feelings others easily.
Science or arts?
Science and sometimes I like arts too.
Breakfast or lunch?
Lunch that I am a not morning person.
Beef or chicken?
Obviously beef, but sometimes I like chicken.
Pond or river?
Pond, but sometimes I swim my pond.
All right. Learning or teaching?
Teaching that it is a noble job and I like it.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thanks everyone for watching this video. Please subscribe Take Part English YouTube channel and join Take Part English group